Morning everyone, it's Carol here from the National Park. I'm up early on Common Carningli Common this morning, and I've just spent a wonderful 10 minutes listening to a skylark singing his little heart out above my head. A good sign, if one was needed, that spring is very much on its way. Now, a bit of an appeal for you this morning. If you intend to come here to enjoy our national park this Easter and you happen to own a dog, please keep that dog on a lead and under control. We've got ground nesting birds which are starting to nest. We've got livestock, our sheep and our lambs back out here on the mountain, and I'm afraid your dog is a hazard to both if it's running wild off the lead. So for their sakes and for other people who are here enjoying the area's sake, please keep your dog under control so that you can enjoy the area and not have an adverse effect. Thank you very much.